Run your entire Airbnb business in one spreadsheet. Your whole homestay business in one sheet: bookings, cleaning calendar, expenses, and per listing profit. Step 1. Every stay is one row in the booking log. Nights, channel commission, and net revenue are calculated instantly. Step 2. The turnover calendar builds itself from checkouts. Nothing to retype. A dot means a guest is staying. A broom means the room needs cleaning. And the red loop? Leave and arrive the same day. Urgent. Plus an upcoming turnover list, already sorted by date. Step 3. Assign cleaning tasks and track maintenance. Anything pending or overdue is auto-collected on the right. Step 4. Log every operating expense in a single ledger. The breakdown groups costs by type, so you see what's eating your profit. Guest scores are averaged per listing, automatically. This is the profit matrix. Every listing, across 12 months. Green is profit, red is loss. Full year totals and profit share reveal your star listing. And here's the dashboard: occupancy, ADR, RevPAR, plus auto-generated insights. Focus on any single listing with one click. Type it in, and every number updates by itself. Scan the code to explore more of our templates.